Okay, I'm here with the slat that I just cut and split in half, and I forgot to mention one thing. We're going to shave off all of the bark, and once it's still a little damp, and this is now at the very beginning of June, so supposedly it's easier to shave in spring or early summer, but if you look, these are just coming off really nicely. So we're going to shave this whole thing down, because without the bark, bugs have a less of an opportunity to crawl in, and so it'll last a little longer. So the knots are going to make this a little difficult, but it is shaving pretty easily, and I just wanted to tell you that, to show you that that is how easy it is to shave. And it does matter if your utensil is sharp. We have two hatchets here. This one we've sharpened quite a bit to make a really sharp thing. We don't use this to cut wood very much, or big branches. We use that one to break branches. And this one is Keith's, my brother's, and this one is Shelly's, my sister's. So we didn't go out and buy two hatchets just to have two hatchets. We just happen to have them. So we're just going to continue, and I'm going to shave this off, and once they're shaved off, then we'll bring them down, and then we'll mount them onto the bridge.